What's up guys, BPalm or Brendan here, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to show you guys how to properly use one of my YouTube channel art templates. Let's get started. So after you guys follow the instruction link that I showed you guys, obviously in the description of my uploads, you want to click on open in Photoshop and find the template. We're going to be using the we'll use a Grand Theft Auto one that I made earlier. This is what we have here. The Grand Theft Auto, whatever. So we have all this stuff just chilling, right? Here's how you edit everything. So this, I'm just gonna lock that because we don't want to take that away, but of course you guys will be able to do what you guys want with it and all that fun stuff. But when you guys open it, it might not be locked. Anyways, you guys can delete this if you want to. It doesn't really matter. What you really want to focus on is your name and the color you want to do. So say your name, your name's BPalm. You just delete all this, type in BPalm, and then you click on this icon up here. This is in Photoshop CS6. Make sure you still have this selected over here. You hit Control A, and you have this, which centers it right there. And you can do the same thing. Put in your Twitter, put in your Twitter handle, put in your Instagram handle, and then you're all set. But what you want to do is find where I set the hue and saturation, which is of course right here. You want to double click this icon, and now you can change it to whatever color. So say you really like, let's go with this, like that yellowish green color. Boom. And then you'll have everything filled out, and then you do file, save as, make sure you type in it as a PNG, and do all that stuff, and you can actually put it on your channel as that. And that's basically how to add them. If you guys don't like how this looks, see how this like drop shadow is a little too weird with the color over here on this Instagram one, you can just double click on the FX, go into drop shadow, and just turn the distance down like that, and so it doesn't look as weird. But you guys can mess with it. You guys can do what you want. Anyways, once again, thank you all for watching one of my videos, and see you all next one. Make sure you guys go subscribe to my main channel. Just type in BPalm in YouTube search. And once again, thank you all for watching. We'll see you all next one. Peace out, guys.